Hello everyone, so where am I now? This is at Mount Imbiah Nature Trail. So I'm going into this dark hole. Okay, I do not know what's there, so let's go. Okay, I'm entering into this nature trail. You can hear the sound of the cricket, sound of the nature. Woo! So I'm approaching a very steep road here. Wow, there's a small little hut here. Pretty steep here. Let's see where does this lead to. So after the steep road, right, it leads to another steep road. Pretty steep here. Oh. Let's see where this leads to. Up to this road, right? Guess where it is? To the Imbiah Hill Road. Wow, nice. So this is another bridge, and this is the steep road that I went up from just now. So I'm at this bridge, suspended bridge here. Right, so wow, it's another haven here. It's a Resorts World Sentosa. Wonder where this bridge brings us to. Let's go and walk. It's very nice. And you can see at the very far end there, there's another steep road. Very nice here, in fact. In a very warm day, warm cloudy day. Come to this part of the so-called steep. And let's see where it goes to. We can continue walking. So I'm approaching the end of the trail, I guess. And where does this lead us to? It's a building. Let's see, what building is this? It's a museum, I guess. Oh, it's the India lookout. Oh, tiger trail. Wow, nice tiger. Right, out from where I was just now, it's called Interview with the Trees. It's kind of like a small little museum where nature calls. Interesting. So I want to hear how field cricket sound like. I just press the button. That's how it sounds like. And how about the plain-tailed squirrel? Ah, it sounds like that. Cool. So the next one is the magpie robin. Okay, it's a bird. Woo. Nice. Now this is the Asian grass frog. Nice. Of course, now the last one is the collared kingfisher. Alright. So, what's here? Interview the trees. How many heritage trees are there on Sentosa? And you know what? The best part of this is that this can be turned. Whoa! To know more information. Great. Oh, here's the animal detective wall. This is how the little museum here looks like. And where it leads us to, let's see, goes out here. Ah, it goes out to the next heaven here. Oh, nice. Where I was just now is actually the Sentosa Nature Discovery. Ooh, nice. You can hear the different sound of different creatures. And up to here, now I can still hear the sound of the nature. It's the place where I walked from just now. And now I'm going to go out of this place. And this is where Starbucks coffee is. Nice. This is where we can take the cable car, yeah? Back to Singapore Island. Whoa, this is the Sky Helix Sentosa. Okay. If you like what I'm sharing today, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and press on the notification bell to be updated more of my life hacks, exercise hacks, and of course ways in how to live a freedom-based life. See ya!